far where I come from.
Yo, yo, yo.
I sit and wonder about the times that it made sense. But nowadays, I don't worry about what's past tense. My younger days, I used to hang around with mad friends. If we just fell out, I don't really know what happened. A lot of people come around to keep you stagnant, distraction. So you don't show them no compassion. We was really out here grinding, really rapping. Stacking them Franklins, them Grants, and them Jacksons. Imagine if we would've never changed. I'm packing, I'm blacking on anybody thinking they could act up with me. This vibe ain't for free, cause where I'm at in life, I'm only focused on me. Note the self, know yourself, focus on your health. They don't wanna help them, it, do it by yourself. Don't give them no excuse to put you on the shelf. If it's me, myself, and I, then it's no one else. Yeah, self-love is the best love. It's the people always give that never get love. They ain't real enough to probably say they messed up. Just let it go and make the best of it, love yourself. Practice what you preach.
Yo, all right. Just to share what I kind of see this morning. All right. Looking at NQ, last week Friday was an amazing day. Man, I'm gonna try to start to do better holding my trade, but it is what it is. Profitable week, profitable day. What I'm seeing here right now is a retracement. I'd like for us to retrace back into, maybe even around 420 area, but we don't necessarily have to. I have this blue box as a breaker. I don't think we need to fill this entire range nor come to 50% of this fair value gap. And this is a fair value gap that is very clear on every single time frame up to the 4 hour. Okay. So it's where do we go from here? Also, what I'm looking at right now is on ES. Let's see. Hopefully this music is not too loud. All right. On ES right now, there is a little divergence that's inside the kill zone. So does it have to come down? Technically, it does not have to. Okay. It does not have to come down. This is some old data here. But I would still like for us to come down below 830, take out the low, more so because that's my bias, right? So I can see a potential play where this divergence causes an up move to take out these equal highs, maybe come down a little bit low, 420, and then go higher. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at. But we do not have to go up here. I would prefer to just come down here and then go up. Maybe I'll take partials here before there's some kind of retracement, and then it continues. So that's what I am hoping for. Let's see. And so market is not yet open. We have what? It's 9:19, so we got about a good 10 minutes here. Let me get back on micros. All right. We're also below the gap. Okay, we are below the gap. Now, if we come down below 420, like below this mean threshold of what I consider a bullish breaker, if we come way down here below 380, at that point, I'm expecting us to continue bearish and maybe to even to 775. Okay. I'm looking at, let's see here, on the daily time frame. Yes, we're near all-time high, but I don't. So it's either we're going to head back to all-time high and the lows are in, or, which would be low-key awesome if I was a market maker, is tank this bitch. I have what looks like trendline liquidity. I don't have a problem if we keep tanking to here. Okay. and then maybe go up mid-September to October. I would have absolutely no problem with that. We are in the last week of August, so do we get a rally back to all-time highs to close out the month, or do we come down? The one thing I do not want, absolutely do not want, always, all right, I do not want choppiness this week, or especially today. We got new home sales, which you guys know I hate. That's at 10 a.m. So hopefully I can get an entry before that. That's clear, or otherwise I might have to wait till about 10:15 or so. Okay. If today is choppy, I'm going to expect tomorrow to be choppy as well. But what I would like is for continuation Monday to happen before from Friday's bullish move. And then Tuesday could feel free to be choppy. And then the best trading days of the week might be a Wednesday or Thursday. Okay. But you got pending home sales too. So it just kind of depends on where we do. But I do think the goal is to, looking at the news, knowing that it's the last week of the month, we're going to have at least 1 or 2 choppy days where price is just simply consolidating, wearing out option traders who are holding either longs or shorts. So the goal is to get my slice of the pie, get in and get out. So that's what I have right now. Let's see if other people are on. Yo,
What's happening, Zeros?
good morning, y'all, man.
How's everyone doing?
All right. Anybody got some analysis, or if they feel like they're going bullish or bearish today?
No, I'm just chilling.
All right.
I'm thinking bullish though, based off the 850 to 910 macro. Just a little bit bullish at the start.
I do think we're bullish at the start too.
Yeah.
Let me see. Let me share. I'll give you a snippet of share just what I think might happen and what I'm eyeing right now. Hopefully y'all can see my screen. All right, so right now, just looking at NQ by itself, well, the reason why I think there might be bullish at the start is there is a little bit of divergence that happened at 8:30 that I feel like is going to run price up just a little bit. I think I posted before that I wanted us to retrace to 420. It does not have to, but what I'm looking to see is that maybe at the start we run up to these equal highs. That's at 545, so about 504. So maybe we get something like this, come back down, and then at that point we're gonna see if we get a reversal or if it continues down or not from there. I don't know. Now I don't like to force a bias. I'm just trying to read price action based on how I see it. We could go up and then just keep going up, right? So what's going to happen is if we get like above 510-ish, I'm not going to be looking for shorts anymore. I'm just going to look at continuation buys. So I want to see we either reverse from here or not. Another possibility would be that this divergence does not hold and we just come down at open. And if that happens, then I'm just going to wait, be patient, and then just look for buys. I'm not going to try to short from below here at all. So those are just kind of my thoughts or whatnot.
Yeah, it's pretty good now.
Yeah. See, hopefully this come on within the next 5 minutes. Anybody else want to share something?
I mean, I see if we get to that 369 level, See that 369 level for me, it's like where it could like bounce up
You talking about the
like very
369
hard.
that limit is called?
369 25.
Let's see. That's what he posted in a journal, right?
No, that's a different one.
Oh, he
Um,
posted 361. You said
yeah.
369?
I don't think we're gonna get to 369 today though.
The thing is, right? The
Mhm.
Friday pump. You know what's it got doing? What, like, often when Friday does the move up or down aggressively, like it did,
Mhm.
it could very well usually be to build sentiment. You know,
Yeah.
and the way that this just traded on the daily, I'm talking, right, on the daily and the weekly, um,
Mhm.
it just really depends on this 4 hour gap. Um,
Very
if
true.
it goes to the concept of encouragement of it, it goes to the concept. I mean, we should most likely will, but if it does, then it just kind of makes it even that much more probable that it's going to go through it.
Mhm.
But if it just does a strong rejection of that 4 hour, then it's going higher. But it just depends on this one 4 hour gap, which it
Yeah.
could do what? It could literally just do what? It could wait for that 10 a.m. candle and just overlap that whole candle, right?
Yeah.
But for me, I would think, for me, right, EM highs would definitely be a play, but since that 18 left the Asia highs, I
Who
would
left
think the
Asia
low is going to
highs?
come in at, yeah, at 18, exactly 18. So in my backtesting,
Mhm.
the low of the day very likely could be in AM, and if it's not in AM, it's going to definitely be in PM. So we're looking at a whole decline down, right?
Mhm.
Just really depends on how AM chooses to trade. If it's going to go, um, yeah. But if that 18 is taken, then it's done.
Gotcha. Gotcha. All right. Well, let's
I
see
don't know.
what
I think
happens.
it's gonna go back up to price open at least, unless
Uh,
it
you
just
talking about
jumps
where it
down.
closed? Yes. You mean where it closed on Friday?
Yeah, basically, yeah.
Okay.
Look at the
That's
CTA.
577.
I thought it was
I don't know.
581.
Oh, you know what? I do it the way somebody else. I think is it Amir? You do it at the close. Some people do it at
Which
the
one, bro?
open of 1600.
Which one?
Regular trading hour
What's that one?
close. I do it
Bro,
at
I
the
just go on
close of the
RTH. I
yeah.
just go on RTH and do it from the RTH gap.
That's how I do it as well.
Yeah.
All right, 1 minute to open, man. We'll see what happens.
You know, I would. You know what I would despise and hate, if it like that divergence at the bottom holds, and it's like one of those days where it's
Hmm.
just 930 just jumps. You know what? You know which one of those days I'm talking about, yeah?
If it just jumps at 9:30,
Yeah. Like, you know how like if that divergence at the
just
bottom
takes off.
holds, it's
Yeah,
gonna
I
be
mean,
a disgusting rally.
if that happens, man, just close your charts, man.
Uh,
Because people gonna start
uh,
chasing, bro. That's what happens.
yeah, bad.
People just start chasing, man.
Also, in the pre-market,
Hmm.
ES got support off the 945 candle.
Hmm.
Motherfucker.
There go those equal highs. Does it keep pushing?
Damn, yeah.
Exactly what I
Yep,
said don't do.
exactly what you saying. Let me see what DXY is doing. Is that the fake move? Or we just gonna keep pumping?
Thing is, there's no news today either.
I know. I would still short this bitch.
Ooh. God dang, the whole thing became a wick.
Mm-hmm. Nasty. Ooh, I'm gonna short. Damn. That happened too fast, bro. That happened
Switch is
too
now looking like
fast.
a good day.
God
Holy.
damn. Holy. I'm not gonna be greedy. Take that. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I just scalp those shorts. I'm gonna wait until I want to see us get to 420. I want to see us get to 420. So this wasn't perfect, but I mean those equal highs still cause a short, right? All right, now what I want to do is I want to catch some longs and then just hold that sucker, you know? So I'm gonna wait for a setup. That's why I don't enter right away sometime. I would have been stopped out quickly, bro, if I had my stop loss right there at 510. Right, so what we at now? I need this to be the first gap. So NQ made that low, but ES did not make a low too.
Yeah.
Just something to be mindful of. But I like us going
What does
lower.
that usually?
Huh?
Sorry. What does that usually mean though? When like NQ makes a low but ES doesn't?
Divergence.
Yeah.
Divergence. Basically, one does something that the other does not in terms of liquidity. So if you're looking at liquidity, right, then what you're looking at basically is in Q made a new low of the day to take out people holding buys
Alright.
here, but ES did not do that as of yet. So
Alright.
sometimes, you know, right now we're in bearish order flow, so I think ES is just going to catch up. Is what's going to happen. That's this. So I think ES is going to catch up to make a low, and NQ is just leading at the moment.
Alright. Thank you.
Yeah.
Damn.
So for me, this entire area is a bullish breaker. So between where price is at now, 444 to 380, I'm waiting for a bullish setup. But at that point, I'm not scalping. I'm looking to actually look for longs. Somebody said new home sales at 10, which is true. That's why I really wanted to get in the trade before 10 o'clock. And then that way I could just probably partial, you know, and not be amongst the choppiness. So let's see. Oh, let me just say he's off
Morning,
today.
everyone.
What's going on, Mauricio?
Morning. What's up, buddy? So I just see the quadrants on this RTH gap, and we rejected from the 75%. So like the first quadrant. But I think that we should be able to.
I don't trade quadrants per se, but I am aware of it. Let's see.
That's ICT stuff.
Yeah, I know.
Especially
So,
if the gap, especially if the gap is not like that big, like less than 100 points or whatever.
so the quadrant would be this, right? We rejected 25% of it.
You have
Right.
516, 516,
516,
50. I have
50.
516 even, but yeah,
Yeah.
around there.
Yeah.
Damn.
Right now, price is inside the market open gap. So let's see if it continues short or continue higher.
What I've seen like while back testing and forward testing is that if you're using time, sometimes ES finds support off of time while NQ doesn't. And then you can like take a trade on NQ based off that. Like right now, a couple minutes ago, ES tapped into 705 and found support off there into that long.
He says
I don't know.
705.
Yeah, today's 705.
Okay.
It happened a couple of times last week where ES found like perfect support off a time and then Q didn't, or it was like very close, and then just like very good trade from that.
Yes, look like it's making new highs right now. Maybe you're onto something. So it's making new highs at a session. It's about to. These wires going down. It looks like it's going to. Whoa. I need a couple fair value gaps.
Can we get a long from the first presented fair value gap? I think it's just going too far away. Wow.
I mean, if I was to hypothetically buy, right, I would be buying and putting my stop loss like here, but it's not my personal setup. So,
I'm saying on the first presented fair value gap is all the way to 68 entry. So
they're
around
931,
60.
right?
Well, 931.
The 931
No.
candle. That's the first presented fair value gap, right? 931.
Yeah, but I think at 930 you don't count 930. You have to start counting from 931.
Oh, you
Some
know,
people count 930 though.
Some people count 930? Okay, so in that case, then I'm completely wrong.
No.
I'm not looking at that one.
There's different ways to look at it. I don't want to complicate it, but because my friend does it the same way that you do it too. It's
For me, the first presented fair value gap is the 934 with the volume imbalance,
934.
covering the volume. Yeah, covering the volume imbalance.
Okay.
So right here, 968. If it's gonna top it here, that will be. And basically, it's a 25-point stop loss, going long, and then target like a 2R. which 2R should be exactly the high at 930. That's like, if you do it, like, that's, wow. It's
I
like
can't go
perfect.
long.
ES took that high and Q didn't.
There's more divergence. I know. Yeah, I gotta see something I trust. But let's see. If we make new highs, we are in fact bullish. I want to short this bitch so bad. It's the waiting game. Anybody in anything right now?
No, man. Still
Yeah,
waiting. If I get in, is what I said on the 468.
468. Gotcha.
I'll give it a try at 468. Unless we take this 930 high. But if we push it a little bit lower, I'll take the
It might be waiting for the 950 macro. I don't trade every single macro, but 950 is one that I often look at. But see, the closer we get to 10, the more I want to stay away from the home sales too.
It's orange, yeah?
Hey, I'll be right back, all right?
All right.
My screen might be on, but I'm be on.
so far good reaction from the first presented. Let's see if it doesn't crush it.
Damn.
All right, I'm back. Damn. Shorts would have been playing out.
Is Limitless on today?
No.
Nah, he said he's taking a mental rest day.
Mental reset.
See, this type of price action is just
So
ugly. Like
choppy.
no continuation. It's just constant back and forth. You know. $47. Okay, so try to mark up the 945 candle. See if it does something for us.
Why don't you have your chart like vertical?
What do you mean?
Like they're on top of each other, not like side by side.
Oh, I don't know. I prefer it horizontal. I feel like I can see more. I mean, usually now these are both NQ and MNQ, depending on the range. I might trade micros versus minis, but I like them side by side versus on top of each other.
Yeah, I mean, because I have my screen like vertical as well, so I guess that works better for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. If you have a super wide screen, that might work.
Yeah. I'll just ask.
I'm not limitless, so don't be no pressure. We could sit here and not take a trade today.
I mean, I can't trade either way.
Fuck, man, I got spooked out on that 1 minute candle, and as soon as it went back to break even, I just sold it.
Oh man.
The first percent fair value gap, you see it? How it went straight through.
Yeah.
Initially, I got in, and then it had a nice bounce of like 20 points.
And then went back down, right?
And then it just the candle at 9:45. Fucking I was just like, I thought that I was gonna get stopped out, and look at this pastry, man.
You gotta just trust your stop, man. You know what it is? Like when there's a range like that, you just can't, cause that's like what? That's like a 25-point stop loss, right?
Yeah, 25 points.
Yeah, man. You just gotta size down sometimes, you know. Sometimes I get in with like 5 contracts, and then once I put my stop loss
I was with one, man. I was with one, but I wasn't gonna let 500 bones to go just like in 1 minute. So I was just like, fuck, man, maybe this. And then it closed. Like if you see the 945, it closed way below.
Order filled.
And then the 946, it went to retest it. So that's when I got out.
Yeah.
And then the next one, it just consolidated. And then the one, the next two are expanding. So, I mean, let's see if it's going to play out. But yeah, you're right, man. Sometimes I just get shaken out like.
Happens to all of us, man.
That-
Oh,
That's why I like C Rose's trust your setup watermark, man.
Oh yeah, 100%.
Yeah.
100%.
Yeah, I'm gonna add one. But the thing is, I already used a lot of indicators, so
I mean, as long as it's not blinding, indicators are supposed to help bring clarity.
now I just they just mark out the times for me instead of doing it manually.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, I just make my own. Yeah, I got one that marks out the times, the first fair value gap, and the 850 to 910 macro.
Hmm.
That's what I use.
DXY is going down, so it might just go straight bullish.
Yeah, I don't understand these, like how you correlate options with futures.
Options with futures?
Well, what's DXY?
Oh, DXY is the US dollar.
Oh yeah, fuck yeah!
Yeah.
I just searched that up.
Mhm.
Alright, thanks.
I feel like it's about to tank right here. That candle, 952. See the 950 price. Take out. I want to see a liquidity get taken out. I don't care if it's buys or lows at this point. And then once liquidity gets taken out, I'm looking for a fair value gap on the opposite end. Um,
Man. If I could have been trading, the only trade I would have taken was that ES 705 support long. But that's been really choppy after that.
Got you. You talking about the 705 price?
Not like the 705 price, not the 705 candle itself.
I got you.
I don't know. Let me.
Minutes to 10. I mean, when I see choppiness like that, man, it's options that they're really, really killing with the time decay.
You trade options as well?
I do not. I've dabbled
No.
in it here and there. You know what I mean? I got somewhat of an understanding of it, but candle and analysis wise, it's all the same. But when it
Yeah.
consolidates and, you could be right about the direction, but if it takes too long to get there, even if on the futures, even if you're never stopped out, right? It can just eat away your profits. So there's pros and cons to all of this stuff, man. Futures, you
Yeah.
got to be more precise. Options, you don't have to be. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that makes
If
sense.
I was long in futures, I could be stopped out even if it comes down here. But in options, it can come down here and turn around back in the next 30 minutes, and I'll be fine. So it's just pros and cons to it all, man.
Yeah, I just don't like there's no like prop firms for options, so not really trying to risk my own money.
I feel like there is one actually.
Yeah, I
There's
never
probably
heard.
only one though. It's not like a lot. Mm, let's see. What is he posting?
That was me.
August 25. It looked like it's going up. $9.50.
3 minutes. You think a yellow folder will make a blast off?
What is the yellow folder? FOMC?
Isn't that home sale?
That's an orange folder, so I don't
Oh
know.
yeah, fuck.
But the issue is home sales usually is just choppy as hell to me. So I usually
Yeah,
try not to trade during it. You know what I mean? Sometimes even days, but um
yeah.
price action wise. Hey Mauricio, man,
I
them
don't have
longs would
enough.
be nice right now if we held on to them.
Yeah, man.
Let's see.
Yep. I pussy out.
I don't have enough experience to know what trading with news is like consistently.
Trading with what?
Like how each news affects the market.
Oh, don't worry about that,
Uh,
man. Me neither. I back test and noticed that it's just been choppy around like home sales type news. So
yeah,
that's the only thing. But other than that, man, not to trade FOMC, CPI, and after that, you just, trade normally for the most part. What you're looking for is that news creates volatility, not
yeah.
that news give you, I don't care for the analysis or what the numbers are or anything like that. I'm just trading the chart.
Thing is, news can also be a big fake move.
Yeah, oftentimes it depends on where it's at. That's why if you just focus on the charts, if it hasn't
Yeah,
taken a liquidity yet and you try to get in ahead of the news, then you become liquidity. Whereas oftentimes you don't. Now, FOMC, as
yeah,
ICT teaches it, is manually manipulated. So even if you are right about liquidity, it can go against you like widely before going
yeah.
your way. So usually you just try to stay out the first 15 minutes or so.
FOMC is yellow folder too.
No, no, not that FOMC. I'm talking about the ones that usually come out on Wednesdays.
Okay.
hmm Yeah. The
All right, thank
longs.
you. Damn, the longs would have been nice.
Yep.
Order rejected.
Yeah. Fucked. Fucking trusting my stop loss, man.
Order filled.
So annoying.
So now And 10:01.
Order filled.
Do I go long here, bro? Where's my stop loss? I still don't trust it, but you gotta go long, if anything. See, I look at, see, none of these are my setups. If I was to trade, my stop loss would be like right here. If I was to jump into buys, it's just not clean for me. All right, I'm going to buy these and have a, it's on a 10:02. No. I just can't trust this shit. All right, I'm gonna buy, and then I'm gonna put my stop loss right below that 247 candle, 10:01 candle. See if it continues, but I'm really gonna give it a short leash. I feel like you can drop. I want to see if we just continue.
God.
And ideally, we want to get back above midnight. And then there's some more eagle highs at 625. Hmm. See, ES is lagging too. And 07. I feel like if it was gonna drop, it would drop by now. What I don't want it to do is drop like way down here. You know what I mean? I want that 10-on-1 candle to hold more than anything. Might just be a slow grind higher. But now ES that was leading is all of a sudden stagnant as hell.
If we start seeing the 50% of that quadrant start closing above the 536, we should be golden for the longs.
536.
Yeah, 536 is the 50%.
Oh, of the
quadrant.
RTH, right?
Yeah. So
well,
we don't want like, yeah, we don't want closures under that.
See, I don't be reading it like that sometimes.
I mean, if it's truly bullish, this this hour should be like pushing just to go and fill the gap at 577, and then get retraced. But this is where mentor would like to see speed.
Yeah, man, and that's the thing with home sales. You don't usually get too much speed, and that's what I really hate. You know, with home sales, you usually get like a lot of choppiness, man. So I mark up all kind of like swing highs, swing lows, where I expect a reaction. But I mean, at this point, I want us to go ahead and just close this gap, right? We're now at midnight. So, like, I don't want to move the break even too soon, but gotta be safe. So do that. All right. Let's see. Is DXY dropping? DXY is dropping. As soon as ES makes new highs, I think I'll take some partials. Let me see. Because this is what? 230 price. I'm not trusting anything outside of the kill zone. But we're at midnight now. Look at that.
Let's probably go back to sleep now. I'm not even taking any trades.
I don't blame you, man. I don't blame you, man.
Yeah, the thing is with my funded futures, once you pass an account, you have to wait until end of day to
Oh,
be able to trade on.
yeah. Do that too, man.
But,
nothing wrong, bro. You're not missing out on much.
Yeah.
You're not missing out on much at all, bro.
All right, have a good one, guys.
All right, bro.
Good one.
Dude, if I lose this, I'm just gonna probably call it a day too. Come on now, let me rock. Let me rock. See, when I see choppy price action like that, I start trying to like cycle through time. 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute. There is a 5 minute fair value gap here, but I don't want it to come back down this low. I want it to just keep grinding higher, man. Look at ES. See what I'm talking about? That's disgusting right here. Straight up disgusting, man. Oh, ES dropping hard, y'all. Yeah. I'm going to go ahead and close and call it a day, man. It's gonna be nasty. I'm not even gonna watch this. My stop loss is at and take profit, but yeah, I'm not recommending any trades. All right, fellas, I'll be back tomorrow. Yep, stopped out. I'll be back tomorrow, man. It's just nasty. And I am up on the day nicely. My entry was okay, but price action is just disgusting. I can't be digging my nose on camera, man. That's just nasty. But clearly, we did not. Did we tap into that 5 minute gap? Nope. I wouldn't have been stopped out had I left my trade on, but price action is still just not favorable. Anything could have happened and I would have been stopped out, so nonetheless not worth the trade. Maybe I should have left the trade alone, you know, and let it slowly grind higher. It wasn't a bad trade and stop loss, you know. So I'm gonna charge just a little bit for tape reading purposes. Yo, to be profitable, even when it's not ideal trading conditions, it's amazing. And usually when people are not profitable, is they keep going back in, keep going back in, keep going back in. So that's what I don't want to do. today. Look at price. Right? Imagine I had let it hit my stop loss. Maybe I should have took profit up here somewhere. There's more divergence. See, what I don't like is that these are not these outside the kill zone prices. So I feel like we still go back up, but it's just nasty with it. Feel like I want to go long. What would that look like? What am I in? Oh, I'm in buys, but
Order filled.
o'clock. Should have just held on to these ugly loans.
Order filled.
I want to short this bit. Is the juice worth the squeeze? At 3. It's not so bad. It's just not clear. Consolidation. Continuation. So it has to be bullish then, right?
Order filled.
Mhm. You got no close on, I mean, on the thing. Copy.
Order filled.
And 34. On a short right now. Give it a whirl. I want to see it get underneath there quickly. And I'm looking at DXY going up. And ES also refusing to go. So I'm looking for, but I want to see, I don't want it to play around for too long. We're already at 1030, maybe 1030 highs. So looking for a move down is what I'm looking for. But if I'm wrong, then I just gave some money back, right? Which I get it. Maybe I shouldn't have done, to be honest with you. And let me go ahead and, yeah, close that. Close the charts, call it a day. Yep, still profitable, still up for the day. I want to get a little bit back, gave about 30 bucks back. Up about what? 100, I was up 130, so still up 100. Not much, but yeah, it's not trading conditions. I just thought I saw something. This is what happens when you stay on the chart too long. You're bound to see something you like, something that's not even truly there. Get out of there. I'm gonna start the week off. Take these profits, carry it on for tomorrow. Peace out, everyone.